have to make a little rant about that situation with that decision by the management of JPL club Montego United to separate from Argentine coach Rodolfo Zapata, reportedly by mutual understanding and apparently because the club wants to move in a different direction. This is a Montego United that has not made the top 6 since coming back into the league 4 seasons ago, and we're consistently closer to the relegation zone. This season, Zapata had Mobe consistently in the top 2 and 3, all but guaranteeing a top 6 spot. So which other direction the club want to go? Back where? Of course, clubs have long and short-term vision for what they want to achieve and where they want to go. But from the outside looking in, Montego United should have at least run out the season with Zapata. He earned it. After that, they could then embark on their other journey, going in that other direction.